The key to a successful launch is creating videos around the topics and queries your audience are already searching for. This requires creating a video content plan for at least 3 to 6 months. Designing a plan will allow you to efficiently grow your channel, save you bundles of time, and allow you to focus on the creative element of making videos. So the first step in the video planning process is to create a list of potential video topics that you can cover. But these have to be relevant to your niche's needs and wants. To understand these, you need to do some market research into popular topics and then create a list of at least 20 ideas or so that will interest your niche. There's a few ways you can create your video ideas list, and I've got 4 strategies that can help you do it straight away. The first strategy is to use the YouTube search field for more information about what your niche audience is searching for. Try putting associated words for your topic into the YouTube search box. You'll see that after the first few letters or keywords that you start typing, YouTube suggests other popular searches which are related to your search in your niche topic. Let's do an example together. I'm going to look up women's fitness because it's a relevant subject to a new channel that I'm working on. Take a look at the suggested queries and make a note of the ones that could work for your channel. For example, women's fitness brings up a few other popular searches around this topic. You can see that motivation, inspiration and workouts are showing up. Therefore, this means that there are popular searches in women's fitness as a topic. So let's get a bit more specific. How about we hone in on women's fitness workouts to see if there's further ideas? Let's try this. We can see that women's fitness workouts at home pops up as a popular query within the broader topic of women's fitness. So now you can add women's fitness workouts to your video content list. As well as women's fitness workouts at home, you can get more specific here by typing in women's fitness workouts in the search box and look at the top 5 to 10 videos that are being suggested to you. Check to see if there are more relevant subtopics you can add to your list. Can you see how easy it is now to build a list of relevant video topics for your video content plan? Well, let's do another example. Let's put in travel. I see travel tips come up. If this is my main topic, I'm going to take a closer look to see what other popular searches are made around travel tips. This shows me travel tips for business. So we can put these on our video list straight away. It doesn't really necessarily mean you're going to use it, but it could help inspire some other ideas around the topic, and it gives you an idea of what people are really searching for. If you know what your audience are actually searching for, you can create great video content to serve them. So basically, think about what you can create that satisfies their needs and search queries. Another strategy is to think about what's trending. You can use tools such as Google Trends to see what people are currently searching for. As an example, let's think about the new wave of working at home. Perhaps this is something that could be relevant to your channel topic. So let's take a quick look at this now. I'm searching working from home in the UK for the last 12 months. This clearly shows that it was trending in the UK's lockdown periods, which is no surprise, of course. You can see that massive hike in searches in the early 2021. When you found a topic that's trending, you can dive in a bit closer and then research into what other related topics are popular. If we found that working from home is trending, we could put that search term in the YouTube search box and see what automatically populates here. Let's have a go. So we get working from home tips, working from home routines, and working from home with a baby. I think we could add these to our video list. Google Trends also lists what's currently trending in specific countries. I'll put the link on the screen if you want to check it out later. You can get some real inspiration here, so take a look. So on to strategy 3. This is where we look at some of the most popular queries in your particular niche or business. And the way we do that is to think about the frequently asked questions. What 4 to 5 questions do you get asked all the time? And then add these questions to your video content list. Once you've added all these things to your content list, you should feel pretty inspired. And now it's time to do a brainstorm and put down some of your own unique and creative video ideas. Don't overthink it, just go for it and write as many ideas as you can, and I'm sure lots will come up in your whole research process. I've more strategies for getting a comprehensive video content list together, which I talk about more in my course, but for now this should really get you started. If you're consistently uploading video, your channel will grow over time, but creating a video content plan and making video around priority or highly searched topics will really give you a head start and kickstart your channel growth. Once you have your video content list, we can start to get creative. There's lots of videos on YouTube all fighting for attention, and if your video isn't attention grabbing enough, then it will get lost in the sea of videos. Sometimes a video can be compelling because it catches a special moment or delivers a great story, or it's the way you present your topic. Making your video compelling is just about getting your message across in an interesting and unique way, and ultimately it's about keeping your audience engaged and watching your video. You can make your videos more compelling by adding extra elements, things like adding extra text overlays, or adding music, or interesting footage, or adding simple effects, or by allowing your unique personality to shine through. Making your videos feel some emotion will engage your audience and capture their hearts. So what do you want them to feel? Do you want them to feel satisfied, grateful, enlightened, educated, entertained, inspired, or supported? These are just a few ideas to go on, but you get the idea. If you do this, you'll keep them watching your videos, and this really helps YouTube suggest your videos to more people and increases your growth potential. It all adds up and everything contributes. So let's dive into secret number 2.